Reloads. Hi guys, today I wish you all my Nerf gun reloads. Make a tail and 3 bullets indeed. Shoot. Pretty powerful. I get a double shot. Okay, I gotta go get my bullet. 1 second. One. Okay. I get stuck in this. Why? So powerful, make a tail in us. Once it's shooting on somebody, it's a American, so you drop my gun first. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I missed. Okay, I'm just gonna do another shot on this weird type of stuff. Ooh, man, he even got his legs bent. Okay, now I just need to go back my bullet. Bull's almost getting in. Phew, that was good for the mega tail. Now I got you know the last video I made, the one with the Nerf SPL. Different to reload Nerf SPL. I got it again, and this time we're gonna use sticky bullets. See if you can. This is not original Nerf bullets. This is bought Nerf bullets, so it's not original. And see how powerful it shoots. This is sticky bullets, so it's kind of cool. Oh, that's a miss. I'm just gonna do one more. I'm gonna show you quick reload. It's gonna be without this thing. Yeet. This one reload. It's gonna be my one hand reload. So 3, 2, 1. See? It's getting better the scope there. I know you want to be seeing this so badly, but here is the scope. Zoom, and then all 3 bullets are in there. All 3. SPL. All 3 bullets here. Let's return back them. Keep them here. My children can get them away. And now you got a micro shot from Zombie Strike. I'm just gonna show you one reload. We're using sticky bullets on this one too. So 1. And 2. Want to see my favorite of this reload? So right on target. Look how it loves right on target. Want to see this shooting somewhere? I'm gonna show you. Look how powerful this gun is. I can just like aim from a bed. There really have to be a miss. Because I'm using my phone, I see continue my phone. I'm not. That was cool. Then we've got a strike. Wait, no, I'm not gonna show you a strike yet. Another Nerf zombie, but he's micro shot. He's a Nerf zombie. Okay, so this comes with his own bullets. I didn't want to use sticky on this. Actually, I can use sticky on this. sticky gun. Let's see how accurate this is. There is not a scope on it like a bump so you can like, aim a bit, but it doesn't have one, so it's just like kind of hard to shoot. You always like miss the target you need. You like miss the target you need, so this I didn't expect that. Let's try another one, some closer view. And one shot. Okay, that was without one, but there is kind of a small bump here. Try using that. Okay, that was enough for that. Then this one I have another micro shot. This one is kind of nice. You can like, they have some nice shooting stuff. And then you can also use sticky bullets on it, and you can put some more up here. How cool is that? So I'm just going to show you a quick one. This is going to be quick for you. Not too accurate. And that's cool. There was a stick, my man. Now I'm going to show you one. My Orco Strike, my IQ Strike, I don't know what you call it. Show you something really cool. It's the same with the SPL. I showed it on my channel. Then they have this thing. You can do it like. If you want me manual here. Here. Let's get this party started. Okay, I haven't started shooting this gun yet, so I'm going to show you. Because you put another 2 more bullets, and I'm just going to show you how it works. One in here. It looks like a magazine. It stores 2 bullets, but actually no. I'm going to shoot all the bullets on you. 3, 2, 1. It's a really good aim here. It's kind of stops sometimes, so what do you say? Oh my god, man! Can you just since this is just not really working, this sticky thing, I'm gonna use a bullet. This is not a whistler. Yep, it is. It's a whistler, but it has a small hole. Just see that? I'm gonna try one the sticky bullet. This is another one that don't really work. Do you see that, my guy? That's what it's called. Sticky bullet in for orchestra. It's accurating. Cool, but the bullet doesn't stick, so. All my reloads. Bye guys, don't forget to see my other videos, subscribe, like, subscribe and share. See you.